Hello friends, today we are going to learn that how you can make or draw graphs for your data in the Excel. So this is very simple, so let's begin. For example, there have been data for the year 2010 up to the 2021 and the profit have been in the billions, and you want to draw a graph for this particular data. So first you need to click on the word insert tab, click on the insert tab. Now you can see over here that the second option, that is insert line or the area chart. Click on this, click on the first one. So as you click on this chart, this blank chart will appear on your screen. Now right click and select data. In the select data, on the left side you can see over here that is the add button. Click on this add button. Now you have to write the series name. So which column name you will have to put it over here, as you are going to draw a graph for the profit in billions. So you need to write a profit in billion. Okay, now the series values, so you need to remove it and click on this 0.09, press shift and select all these values. So all the values has been selected. Now click the button OK, press OK. As you can see, so the one line, that is the profit line, has been drawn. Now we need to make the another line that is of the horizontal axis, that is the year. So again right click on select data. Now you can see over here on the right side that there is the option of edit. Click on edit. Now you need not to write anything, just to select the years. So select the years, drag all your years and click OK. Click OK. So you can see that your graph has been drawn, and you can see the caption, that is the profit in billion. That on the horizontal axis there is the year starting from 2010 to the 2021, and so on the vertical axis there is the years and on is the profit, while on the horizontal axis there is the years. Hopefully this video will help you in drawing the graphs for your academic and non-academic purposes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.